Welcome back to Cars of Sweden Live, and check this out. It's the 2020 Audi RS7. Okay, so let's get inside this bad boy and see what she's all about, shall we? All right. So, nice wing there that you can have up or down at any time. All right, first things first, lovely, comfortable Alcantara and leather seats. Absolutely gorgeous. And of course, they're heated and cooled as well. So, first things first, let's start this bad boy up. Oh, nice gurgle, and everything adjusts into your chosen setting. Right, we're getting used to this now with the virtual cockpit. All looks good there. Okay, let's just make sure I'm in maybe neutral, and then let's give it a little rev, shall we? Oh, really nice sound in exhaust tune there. And if we do move some controls here on the steering wheel, you can see you can go through different modes of the display here. Okay, not going to go into that too much, but we need to do this one though, because it's got a button there that says RS. If you push that, then everything changes. You get yourself a rev counter, a proper rev counter that goes all the way up to 7. But we'll calm that down for a minute, yeah, shall we? And put him back to normal, so he's a little bit happier with some stable control as well. Right, we've got a big screen here, navigation as you would come to expect as well. Everything is touch screen operated here almost. A few buttons still. That includes the parking camera at the back there and the front. This is going to be I think there are warning cameras all around the car as well, so if you get too close to something when you're backing up or even going forward, it will give you a little warning there. All the temperature controls, and like I said before, these seats are heated and cooled seats, so in the summertime you get them nice and cool. Right, this car also is a little bit of a special car here in Sweden, because it's the only one of its kind that is fully spec'd. And when I say fully spec'd, is that this car spent 500,000 crowns, that's 500,000 crowns, on extras. There were no more extras to get, because we all know that the Audi extras are a lot of money, and when you spec it all out, you spend 500,000 krona. And if you're looking at English money, that's around 45,000 English pounds of extras in this car. So it's fully equipped. Not just inside, actually, outside as well, because the wheels on this car are 22-inch wheels and ceramic brakes. And also the wheels that you get here on this car are almost unique. You will not find these wheels on any RS7 in Sweden, ever. I think you'll have to specially order them in Germany to get them. So this car is absolutely unique. Now, what is an RS7 if you're not familiar with the RS? Well, the RS is the top of the line when it comes to performance for all Audi cars. You can get S lines, you can get the S cars, but the RS, they're the ones that are going to give you more power to the buck. Yeah. And we are going to take this baby on the road in a minute and see what it moves light. But before that, of course, we cannot forget the flat bottom RS steering wheel. We might even get to push that RS button at some point. You never know. Okay, so we are in the RS7 and unfortunately the weather has turned a little bit sour on us again, but we're going to take this thing out on the road. We're going to be very careful with it because it's a lot of money, should I say, and also it's not my car and it's for sale, so hopefully someone watching this video will think, ah, that's the car for me. If you want a unique Audi. And yeah, like I said, the details for the sale is all in the description. So right, let's take this thing off park and let's get it out on the road, shall we? So very smooth car at the moment, so let's just reverse it up there a little bit. Taking it nice and easy, lemon squeezy. Alright, so like I said, summertime Sweden, but as ever when I decide I'm going to go out and film, the rain gods are playing little games with me. But we don't care because we've got four-wheel drive here. This is an Audi Quattro, so it's built to handle these conditions, isn't it? So before this car, the fastest car I ever driven was the Lamborghini Huracan Spider with 610 brake horsepower and four-wheel drive, Audi four-wheel drive as it goes, and this one is going to come in a nice second place now with 600. Family saloon, if you want it. Well, but as of yet, as I say, everything is nice and smooth in there at the moment. Right here. So top speed on this baby is around 190 miles per hour. Like I said, we are definitely in supercar territory here with this car. And it's a V8 bi-turbo engine. You kind of know the engine. If we look at Audi cars in the past, like the first series of the R8, they had V8 power units as well. Of course, they're running the V10 now, the same as the Gallardos or the Huracans, should I say. Really nice drive, really comfortable. This steering wheel is pin accurate. You can feel wherever you point that steering wheel, that's where the car's going. And like I said, it's a bit wet out now, but loads of grip. I'm just going to wait till we get into a better zone and then see if we can find out what all the fuss is about, shall we? RS7. I tell you what, you can drive this just like a regular family car, or you can get a little bit heavy-footed and it makes this noise. Oh God, and it flies, and it's frightening. Head-up display there, and you're gonna need that, I promise you. Right, now it's chucking it down, so we're gonna take it easy, yeah, because this is gonna be somebody's pride and joy. But it's been an absolute pleasure driving this car, I tell ya. Wow, I tell you, the Germans are just making some cars, and it's a pleasure to do this show and get to feature a load of them on there, because technology and the way we're going with maybe hybrids and electric cars, but these are the last of the great petrol, diesel-driven cars, I'm telling you, because they're like dinosaurs at the moment. They're going to be extinct. And if you want one, they're really putting out some classic stuff to last the test of time, and this is going to be an absolute legend. So, if you like the show, please subscribe. Please tune in again next week, because we're going to have more madness. And don't forget to like the video as well. And we'll see you all again soon on Cars of Sweden Live. I'm just going to have a little bit more fun with this thing. Take care. See you next time.